Welcome to Saxon Math Course 1. Today we're doing Lesson 15, Problems about Equal Groups. Our objectives for today: after this lesson you should be able to identify the pattern in a word problem about equal groups, write an equation to solve a word problem about equal groups. Some review from last time. We talked about negative numbers. They're always less than positive numbers and zero, and they are the opposites of positive numbers. And then we talked about negative answers in subtraction. When the second number is larger than the first, you switch the two around to do the subtraction and make your answer negative. So today we're talking about equal groups word problems. These are a multiplication problem, so they follow a number of groups times the number in each group equals the total pattern. And this is a way we represent that N stands for number of groups, G stands for number in each group, and T is total. So for missing the first or the second number, the number of groups or the number in each group, we have to divide to find the answer. If the total is missing, then we have to multiply. So here's an example. In the auditorium, there were 15 rows of chairs with 20 chairs in each row. How many total chairs were there? In order to solve this, we plug it into our pattern. 15 is the number of groups, that's how many rows of chairs there were. 20 is the number in each group, that's how many chairs are in each row. And then our total we don't know. So since we're missing our total, we need to multiply. 15 times 20 equals 300, so the auditorium has 300 total chairs. Here's another example. At Russell Middle School, there were 232 7th grade students in 8 classrooms. If there were the same number of students in each classroom, how many students would be in each 7th grade classroom at Russell Middle School? So we plug those numbers into our pattern. We have 8 classrooms, so that's the number of groups that we're making. We don't know the number in each group, that's the question, how many are in each classroom, but we do know the total number of students, which is 232. So since we're missing one of those first two numbers, we need to divide. 232 divided by 8 equals 29, so that means there would be 29 students in each classroom. That's all for your lesson today. Make sure you do your practice problems. Put any questions you have in that discussion section and we'll talk about them next time. Your next math assignment is going to be your test, so we'll see you in lesson 16 after that.